Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Streak. Streak is a powerful CRM, customer relationship management, tool that integrates directly into your Gmail inbox. This unique approach streamlines your workflow by keeping your customer interactions, notes, and sales processes all within a familiar environment. Instead of toggling between various applications, Streak brings the power of a CRM right to where you manage your email communication. This integration offers several key advantages. It simplifies lead tracking and management, eliminating the need to constantly switch between your inbox and a separate CRM. You can view the entire history of your interactions with a specific contact directly within Gmail, including emails, calls, and notes. This comprehensive view allows for more personalized and effective communication. Streak's features are designed to boost productivity and efficiency. You can create custom pipelines for different sales processes, allowing you to visualize and manage each deal's progress. Automated reminders ensure you never miss a follow-up, and mail merge functionality allows you to personalize mass emails, saving you valuable time. Beyond sales, Streak also provides robust tools for project management and support. You can track the progress of various projects, manage deadlines, and collaborate with team members, all within Gmail. This streamlined approach ensures everyone stays informed and projects stay on track. For those managing support inquiries, Streak provides an organized system for tracking and responding to customer requests. You can categorize emails, assign them to specific team members, and monitor response times, leading to improved customer satisfaction. This all-in-one approach to communication and organization simplifies complex workflows. Streak offers a range of pricing plans, including a free option for individual users. The free plan provides access to core features, making it a great way to experience the benefits of an integrated CRM. Paid plans offer more advanced features and increased functionality for teams and businesses. Overall, Streak is a highly versatile and valuable tool for anyone looking to streamline their communication and workflow within Gmail. Its seamless integration, robust features, and flexible pricing plans make it a compelling option for individuals, teams, and businesses alike. By centralizing your communication and processes, Streak empowers you to work more efficiently and effectively. Check it out via the link below.